Where are we in the current Bitcoin cycle, or do cycles even exist anymore? And is the 4-year cycle in Bitcoin now dead? I have two interesting charts here, one from Jeff Park and the other from Julien Bittel, and they paint a potential picture as to where we are in the current Bitcoin bull market. For context, I tend to believe that Bitcoin is a macro asset, trading mostly around dollar liquidity and the expansion of the global dollar money supply. Bitcoin is a new form of money. It's a superior form of money because it has superior monetary properties, and it's also just a superior form of collateral. It's digital capital. It's long-term savings technology. The bear case for Bitcoin, in my view, is to reach gold parity, which is north of $1 million per Bitcoin. The bull case is that Bitcoin becomes half or more than half of everything. It's the best long-term savings technology, and therefore half or a majority of everyone's portfolio may one day just be Bitcoin. If that becomes the case, because Bitcoin is the best way to save for the long-term future, then the potential market size of Bitcoin is hundreds of trillions of dollars, if not more, as the dollar continues to be debased and as technology continues to improve. Now, here's the first chart from Jeff Park. It shows that the 90-day realized volatility on Bitcoin just hit a new low since the end of 2016. After 2016, Bitcoin went on a massive parabolic bull run, climbing from roughly $1,000 at the end of 2016 to $20,000 at the end of 2017. It's possible we're lining up for something similar now, where Bitcoin has drifted up and sideways since the bottom of the 2022 bear market. The foundation has been set for capital to flow into ETFs and for Bitcoin treasury companies to issue Bitcoin collateralized credit to buy additional Bitcoin. The seeds have been sown for a potential parabolic Bitcoin bull market, one that effectively corrects the price of Bitcoin toward that bear case I mentioned, or perhaps even much further. The second chart is from Julien Bittel. It shows the ISM manufacturing macro indicator compared to Bitcoin in historical Bitcoin cycles. What it reveals is that we haven't really seen a blow off top or extreme expansion in the ISM indicator, which suggests that the real economy hasn't yet caught on to the extreme or is humming at full speed. As it does begin to hum, we could see a similar larger bull market similar to 2013, 2017, and 2021. If that's the case, Bitcoin could move significantly higher. Of course, we don't know the exact future of Bitcoin. A short-term deflationary dollar crisis could push prices lower. But in the long run, this train has no brakes. More dollar liquidity will eventually be injected into the system by central banks or the federal government, and that's dollar debasement. Bitcoin tends to perform well in these periods. There's no guarantee of a parabolic bull run ahead, but it does seem very possible. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time.